Hello everyone. We have exceptionally nice sunshine today, and my big bully red ruby is here. Oh, and Mr. Jealous came here as well. Mr. Jealous. Mr. Jealous. I should not spend time with Ruby alone, huh? You're jealous. Oh, are you jealous, huh? I should only scratch your head. Yeah. Come on. Be good with each other. Be good with each other. And there are, yeah, kites are there. Too much sunshine. I have to go there to show you the kites. They are enjoying some hawthorn berry. I don't know where you are. If you are in Europe, you know hawthorn. These are the gang enjoying hawthorn berry. These are hawthorn berry. Imagine, to describe them, the texture of an apple with stone inside. No, you cannot come and sit on my hand. No. When they eat the hawthorn berry, how to say this politely, they do lots of poop, and the poop is very sticky. Only three. Where is the fourth one? Ah, Elsa Fifi is there. That's Elsa Fifi. This is the current chickpea, Nemo, and Houdini. Yeah, this is the story of hawthorn berry. Bye bye everyone.